Hey guys, I'm Jody Fitz. Welcome to the Price Chopper Market 32 Kids Cooking Club, where we are getting ready for Father's Day. Simon, what did we make?
Ice cream cake!
Ice cream cake, that's right. This is loaded and delicious. Here's how we made it. We prepped some of our supplies in advance and began with cutting mini Reese's peanut butter cups into quarters. Then we chopped peanut butter filled M&Ms in a mini chopper. You can also use a blender or food processor. We broke 6 graham crackers into quarters and chopped them into graham cracker crumbs. After placing the graham cracker crumbs into a bowl, we added chocolate syrup and stirred them together. After we had added a little over half of a container of PICS brand Heavenly Hash ice cream into an 8-inch springform pan, we created a center to the cake by adding half of the graham cracker mixture on top, along with mini marshmallows, half of the chopped M&M candies, and half of the cut Reese's peanut butter cups. We lightly but firmly packed the candies down into the soft ice cream and topped it off with PICS vanilla ice cream, smoothing the top before placing the cake into the freezer. While the ice cream cake was freezing, we made a marshmallow fluff icing with butter, a small jar of marshmallow fluff, vanilla extract, and confectioner's sugar. Once everything was in the bowl, we whipped it together. Once the cake had sat in the freezer for several hours, we took a butter knife that we had wet with warm water and ran it along the edges of the springform pan before releasing the sides of the cake from the pan. We quickly frosted the cake, added the rest of the graham cracker topping, candies, and mini marshmallows to the center of the top, added a little whipped topping along the edge to help the candies to stay in place, and popped the cake back in the freezer for another hour before serving. All right, everybody. Thank you for joining us at the Price Chopper Market 32 Kids Cooking Club. Stay tuned. We have more great recipes coming to you all summer long.